Yeah, out here looking at my plants. Got some dragon fruit, pineapple growing, all type of stuff. Tomatoes, mango trees, watermelons, okra. Damn, I want to go to the gun show. It's no gun show. I wonder if there's no place like the gun show. There's no place like the gun show. There's no place like the gun show. Oh shit, I'm here. Welcome back to the Bubba Multiverse. We're at the gun show in Palmetto Convention Center. We're gonna go ahead and check it out and see what they got. There's no place like the gun show.
Because I trained with a trainer, and he even was like, why do you keep missing everything? So he was like, put it down and pick up the cannon. So when I picked my cannon up, I had no problem. Right away. He was like, you gotta get rid of that. And I had just bought it. Like, just bought it. So I only shot it one time, so I just traded it.
Give it up.
Yeah.
I would have bought it.
What's your name?
How you doing,
Gary. Okay, Gary, it was great to meet you. I've seen you guys at shows previously, but
Any questions, guys?
This has been a great gun for 20 years, man. I like the grip. After Vietnam looking yeah, I don't know a lot about guns.
Hey, how you doing, bro?
Alright, these are for the two shotguns.
How's everything going today? How's everything going today?
Yeah, slow but
Slow? Alright.
still breathing, so it's good.
You're right, brother.
That's
You're
right.
You're definitely right. Oh, these are new.
Could always be worse.
Don't say that.
I could be living in a mud hut somewhere.
Hey, we don't want to be there.
That's right.
We're not going to be there. Work too hard for not to be there. Oh, those are pretty.
Why do you look familiar?
You too?
Yeah, there you go.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's.
I try to get more people to come to the gun show.
Well, appreciate that.
You know, because a lot of people with that Second Amendment and all that, you guys need to understand what it really means.
Mm-hmm.
And if they take it away from us, we'll be just like those other countries.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And it'll be no difference.
Look at Russia when they took away guns. 5 million people killed.
Yeah, for no reason.
Same thing. Wow.
Ukraine too.
Yeah, Ukraine. Every country.
Now they want to give everybody guns now.
Yeah, exactly.
Come
except
on,
here.
man.
Yeah,
No.
except here. We're gonna leave billions of dollars to go, trillions of dollars to go to Afghanistan.
That's ridiculous.
No,
Ridiculous.
it's not worth it to sell a gun. Illegal can be a cost. Better to do it the right way, the slow burn, as opposed to the quick fix. Because at some point, this business will turn around. Election season's coming up.
Yep. Real quick.
So, and with our current administration, it's not looking good for him. So I also feel like Trump's going to get shot or assassinated because they've done everything else they possibly could do by keeping him alive. He won't stop.
Yeah.
So the only viable option that they have is to stay in control and not go to prison.
Same price, sir, as this? Same price,
No,
$199?
$299 because that's solar power.
Oh, okay, all right.
So it's $100 more for the solar power.
I understand it. Yes, sir.
Basically the same unit. It's still a Spark, but
it's much better.
Well, yeah.
It's charged solar, you know?
There you go. And it's Vortex, so good product.
Yeah.
Great warranty.
You're right. $950. Yeah. That's it. Thanks.
It's like if you
Yeah.
it's not like we're going
HK 850.
Oh, we should look and say bye. Bye, honey.
Smith & Wesson with the red dot. What's red dot? Let me see this knife, horn, red dot.
Our booth is actually way bigger, and if I plug on over here, we would have paid up library versus like literally 2 feet. So I flattened the cable down and I plugged it in there. And I actually did switch it to oh my god, because there's no one phone over here. No, I asked the cable.
$400. 400. Everything 400.
We didn't have our own tape for North Florida shows.
So big, 300. Same price, 25% off.
How you doing, sir?
All right, how you doing?
Doing all right.
All the lashes start at just $29. There you go. They also want the shells.
House
So the
phone.
can goes 100 yards and the golf ball is there.
This one here, that 19 this is también nuestro, donde pone el oro. This is better than that,
Whoa.
close that up, you have to.
968. Let's go.
Alright, you're taking 504 now.
AR plus the irons there?
Yep.
Yeah.
Nice. Green 2. $2.99. $9.
I don't think he means that. That'd be a little high for me, okay? A little much. I like it. Yeah. 450 sold. Okay. You want it for 450? I'll sell you the difference. I'm fine with that. End of the day, I'll get more. How are we doing, my friend? Good. If you have any questions, please ask me. Okay, like you know.
Little 556 uppers.
You do all this stuff. I don't want that. I want a motherfucking house on the moon.
Good price.
How's it going, man?
All right, how about yourself, brother?
Good.
Damn, y'all went down a lot.
169 with front and back plates, man.
Damn.
Yes, sir.
That's crazy. So what plates you get with that one?
You get these right here.
These?
Steel ones right
Okay.
here. Level 3.
Not bad.
Yes, sir.
2 of them?
Yeah, front and back.
That's more than the fucking jacket.
Yep.
Yeah. Alright. It's crazy.
sir.
All right, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
Let me go over here. She got popcorn open.
She's got popcorn. Where's she getting all this food from?
Popcorn
See what
open.
matters, right? When there's no concession, we're all like, who's got food?
Yeah, all right. Got the popcorn open.
Sir, if you would like to pick up anything, you are more than welcome to.
Yeah, thank you very much. God damn, I just bought one of these. And they charged me way more than 35.
Oh man, see, I'll hook you up.
I know. What the hell? What are we doing?
If you have any questions about anything, please feel free to ask.
Okay.
Are we going up on YouTube?
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah, man.
You have any cards?
Cards?
Yeah.
I got one left. I got rated.
All right.
I got rated.
I'll leave it here for you. So
No, I got
everybody-
more down here, man.
Oh, okay.
Rico,
Okay.
you take that with you.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Nice. Pretty cool. Pretty damn sharp.
That one's sharp and
Thank you.
Okay, no,
42.
sorry. So you're only gonna get one.
Hey, at least you can admit it.
Yeah, but it says three. It's 3 by magnifier, so it's these two. Yeah, this is your magnifier.
338. 8.
This one's 7.
And this one is a True Glow red dot, blue dot,
I seen this. They're in
What's up, bro? What's up?
See you, bro.
How you doing? How you doing?
Yes, all 3 are 556. And I'll tell you what, and I'll do this today. All right. Which one are you thinking?
Probably be
Either one of these two? Okay. Either one you do, I'm going to throw in an extra mag. All right, so at least you'll get 2 30-round mags, and I'll give you a discount on ammo.
okay.
When you going to come down to the range, bro?
Man, I've been pretty busy.
I know you have. I see you. I see all over you too.
Yeah. Probably in a couple weeks.
All right, let me know.
I'll be
Set
taking
it
my
up.
vacation there.
Okay, good.
So I can leave and do something.
Yeah, yeah.
And don't have to worry about no hurricanes and shit like
Yeah,
that.
right,
It's slowing me down. I gotta stop working and
Yeah.
it's crazy.
Should I take this off the table?
Yes, please. Yeah, that's all we want.
Chance I can pick this one up real
Yeah,
quick?
of course. Yes, definitely can.
We're just saying.
Oh, 80?
Yeah, they're very, very cool. They're all the most expensive brands out there. Buy the bags and I make you. Thank you.
Block bag. Right there.
It is what it is, so I mean, there's not much to say about it.
150.
Yeah, I was talking with another vendor. That's all it is. Break when you get a new pair. What's up, brother?
What's
How you
happening?
doing, man?
All right, all right. You been all right?
Everything good?
Yes, sir.
Right on.
Everything been going well?
Yeah, brother,
Yeah.
no complaints, man. You know,
All right.
I mean, I can complain, no one listens.
Yeah.
You know? it's been slow today.
Yeah.
Yesterday-
What about yesterday?
Yesterday was good. Yesterday.
Okay.
It's a dog days this time of year, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah. It's getting close to the holidays.
That's it, buddy.
Everything is
Yep.
slow. My work is getting slow, but I'm glad.
I hear you, man.
I can report more.
There you go, brother.
Depending on how. Are you sure they will do?
You okay?
I'm sorry.
Oh, you okay? You okay?
Feel free, bud, if you want to pick up something, check it out, okay? Feel free. You want to see a really badass scope? Yep, that's a fake gun. Go through your shoulder, it'd be like that. That's our best stolen scope on the whole table. 3 to 9. That thing has 9 inch
Just put it on his neck.
I just want to go.
I can see
Like, I can go.
$199.
Tell you what, I think it's great. So what's up with every kind of so let's say you can't do president. The sandwich could apply Trump had the Department of Justice. I think if Trump had a DOJ,
That'd be better than Francis. You thinking the indictments would come down? The Pelosi's and Schumer's and squad. Exactly. And they'd be tried as criminals. They'd be sending you one way.
All right.
They'd be flying at
What's that? 1,000? No?
right.
Have a good one, guys.
You too. They love them.
Might have to program the motion.
Badlands. Fully loaded AR-10, slick optic. Yeah. Nice. Radical firearms. .5-inch barrel. $5.99.
I see those.
$9.99.
Oh, they are. From Germany. We're shopping on Walmart blade. We're shopping on Action. We're shopping on Walmart.
So I lost on my gun.
Same price. No, a little cheaper. Red.
And then we're going to go look at the house.
And then I'm gonna start drinking, because I ain't drinking the whole time I've been up here. I've been here. No.
Caltech $3.99.
There's some samurai swords over there Eddie, on the other side. Yeah, I thought he used it.
22. Lever action.
We're going to go down and time to get away.
Hey, how you doing? Good, how are you? Move everything. I'm right here. You're disturbing. No, you're okay. Hey, Bobby, how you doing?
Hey man.
Good?
All right, yes sir. How you been?
I don't know what my gun is on this piece.
No, we can't do that. That's 23 each day.
That gun has the name of it.
No. And there's a little button you can gun here that you push up. So once you got what you're out,
Chris, you need a baby pistol, air pistol.
Very highly sought after. Yeah, well, they still make them. They still make them, but they've that we. So the original guns, the original Soviets, they were highly sought after. You don't package.
How about you? You carry? Well, you can carry it.
The connection was like this thing.
I got it not even like 2 months ago. Florida college. You know, is there any questions?
Alright, no, just looking, sir.
Questions, just let me know, dude.
Okay, man. Selling these stickers.
Free for you, man. Take one.
All right. I like that.
I mean, the deals without the sites. No sites.
Can't decide?
Never can.
Stay here. Heel.
Got some barrels here, look like some Bear Creek. Yeah. Side charger handles.
What's up, man?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Doing well, man. Doing well.
Are these guns still the same prices in the store?
As far as I know, but I haven't been in the store for a long time, my man.
Okay.
Been a gun broker for a number of years during the week, and now I'm working at an auto shop.
Oh, all right.
Transitioning.
Yep, finna get ready to leave it. Yeah.
Yep. 10 plus years is enough time.
You're right. You're right. It's time to do something else. You're definitely right, brother. You're definitely right.
Yep. Time to switch gears. Learn a new industry.
Trade.
New trade.
Yep.
Gain a skill I can use for the rest of my life.
The rest of your life.
I've already had enough time to work on all the soft skills. I got my people skills. I can sell
anything.
You know what I mean? Life is just an acquisition of skills and learning.
Yeah, that's it. That's all I do. I just jump to everything. I want to know everything.
Hell yeah, man. You gotta stay curious.
Mm-hmm.
So these even discounted at, say, $4.99. And with tax come out to $5.50, $5.75. Okay, that's what I would collect from someone just buying it at a discounted price. You pay me that.
I'll pay you that.
That's a home run for you.
All right, man. I'll take care of it.
Tim, everything's down here.
That's my reference.
All right.
Pistol and shotgun. Got it?
Got it.
That is my rifle.
Oh, you want to keep the bag?
Yeah.
Sure, we'll keep the bag. I'll let Rob know. Got it. Shotgun right there. Yeah. All right, sir. I'll just need your driver's license and your concealed weapons permit. Also, okay. You won't imagine how many people I find. Oh, your driver's license is expired. Like, oh, I didn't even know. That's dangerous. Sometimes, yeah. You got some Tampa? Thank you, sir. All the way down from the rifles at the end, you go standing out.
That's how much it is over there.
There's one canister less than that.
There's not too many private guys around.
Yeah, I see some shit over there. I don't know where he went.
And these come with the bags? These come with the bags?
Come with everything, yeah.
Okay. Yeah? Sport. Never heard of that. American Tactical. Oh,
Is it Rattler? No, these are the new SIG beer.
look tired, man. Ready to go home?
Oh, yeah. I'm doing my best to keep standing up all day. It's the first time I said that.
I was saying, you look tired, brother. Like, man.
Been a long 2 weeks.
Yeah. Gotta learn how to take a day off, man.
Yeah.
You got to. At least one. Damn, they don't make slaves no more. God damn. Take one day off.
30 D's done dirt cheap, man.
Yeah, okay. Wallets for your credit card, some belts, $60. Nice.
Trying to find one.
$7.62 by $39. And 6.2, $51.08. I want one of these. Hey there. Shark Coastal, AR-15 Samurai.
I just for one of the 22s,
Same price. Candy paint. Springfield Armory. Wood. That price needs to go down.
Son 45 y eso no son nuevas. Vean los precios que los tenemos nosotros. Hubiera comprado dos, esta y la más chica, que esta es por cortarla. Y esta es para...
How you doing, sir?
All right, how you doing?
I'm well. Got any questions for me?
Not yet.
Not yet? Whenever you're ready, give me a holler.
All right, y'all got anything new in?
For deals?
Yeah.
All of our deals, I mean, all the old signs are deals. We're doing anything I can make a deal with you, just let me know.
All right.
So we're about closing up shop. So if you see something you like, just give me a holler and we'll make a deal on it.
All right.
One thing is also you can go by the
$22.99. Caltech. Defense 5.5. 5.65. Yeah. No bolts. Seven by 16. Fans. Bundle, Hellcat bundle, 5 mags.
Credit card?
Yeah.
$5.99.
We don't charge extra for credit card. Everyone else charges 5 to 7%.
Fender. Good. Hellcat bundle. Same thing with the 5 mags. Wholesale price is about 200 tag. How you doing? I'm sorry. On these, do they have the serial numbers on these?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Everything has serial numbers.
All right. $10 each, 3 for $25.
What's that? Is that $25?
¿Es la navaja que le gustan a mí, Zaira?
¿Eh?
¿La navaja que te gustan?
Pretty cool knife. Chick lady. That's pretty.
Ladena Wright, please raise your hand if I called your name.
I think this is the one that I'm going to do.
Buddy girl.
How are you doing?
Alright, how about yourself?
Mechanics are nice.
Yes, I have one.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it. The trigger, everything is light.
Well, Kevin's mom tried to come and see us, and apparently was at the front with having chest pain, so Kevin had to go up there. He was going to the hospital.
Arctic Splinter.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. It's not like she had to walk far because she was with my sister-in-law, and they dropped her off at the door, but Kevin said she was off.
Well, does he need to leave?
All right, it's over. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming with me to the show. And peace. I'll see you in the next one.